the body mass index is a measure of body fat based on height and weight that applies to adult men and women. It's used to estimate a healthy body weight based on a person's height. Use a sample height and weight to compute BMI. Let's assume a person has a height of 5'10" or 70 inches or 177.8 centimeters and a weight of 160 pounds or 72.57 kilograms. The formula for BMI is BMI equals to weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. First, convert height to meters, 1.778 meters. Then calculate the BMI. BMI equals to 72.57 kilograms divided by 1.778 meters squared is equals to 72.57 divided by 3.16. So the BMI is approximately 22.96. BMI of 22.96 falls within the normal weight range 18.5 to 24.9.
Maintaining a healthy BMI is important because it reduces the risk of various health problems such as heart diseases, type 2 diabetes, high pressure, certain cancer, and sleep apnea. Physically, it helps in maintaining energy levels, mobility, and overall bodily function. Mentally, a healthy BMI can improve self-esteem and reduce the risk of depression and anxiety, as a physical health often correlates with mental well-being.
The physical and emotional signs of stress. Physical signs of stress are headaches, muscle tension, fatigue, changes in appetite, sleep disturbance, while emotional signs of stress are anxiety, irritability, restlessness, feeling overwhelmed, and sadness or depression.
3 healthy stress management techniques: breathing exercises, time blocking, and sleep hygiene. Breathing exercises, deep slow breathing can help calm the nervous system. For example, try the 4 to 7 8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Time blocking. Allocating specific blocks of time for tasks can reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. Create a schedule that includes study time, breaks, and leisure activities. Sleep hygiene. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring a comfortable sleep environment can improve sleep quality and reduce stress.
Positive and negative coping strategy. Positive coping strategy. These are constructive methods for the managing stress that improve well-being and resilience. Explains include exercise, mindfulness, seeking social support, and problem solving. Negative coping strategies. These are methods that may provide temporary relief but ultimately worsen stress, have a negative consequences. Example include substances abuse, avoidance, denial, and overheating.
List and coping mechanisms. Positive coping mechanisms. Exercise, regular physical activity, releases endorphins and reduces stress. Mindfulness meditation. Practicing mindfulness can help focus on the present moment to reduce anxiety. Social support. Talking to friends, family, or the therapist can provide emotional support and perspective. Problem solving. Identifying the source of stress and taking concrete steps to address it. Hobbies. Engaging in enjoyable activities can provide a distraction and promote relaxation. Negative coping mechanisms. Substance abuse. Using drugs or alcohol to cope with stress. Avoidance. Avoiding stressful situations or responsibilities. Denial. Refusing to acknowledge the existence of stress. Overeating. Using food as a source of comfort.
I can't do this. I have so much to study and I feel like I'm going to fail. Okay, I'm just going to focus on my breath. Okay, that's a little better. I still have a lot to do, but I feel calmer now. I can break it down into smaller tasks and take it one step at a time.